Hello there, my name is Abdul Rahman bin Abdul Salam, and this is my video for the unit Introduction to Programming. For this reflective video, I will illustrate my understanding of the things that I've learned for the past few weeks in the Introduction to Programming unit. And to do that, I will explain a sample program that I wrote which contains all the necessary knowledge that I've learned so far. So the first thing that we can see is these green colored codes, which are bounded by the slash and star symbols. These green colored codes are actually the commands written to ease the programmer when writing their programs. It also makes it easier for other people to understand codes written by other programmers. Next, we go to the variables declaration. A variable is a memory location that is assigned a data type, such as integer or character, and a name, such as I, age, etc. The data types used in a program are chosen by a programmer according to its function, whereas the names used are chosen according to the programmer's preference. These variables can be used to store information, to perform arithmetic calculations, and many more. Besides variables, data can also be saved in an array. An array is an indexed data structure where all the variables stored in an array are of the same data type. Basically, rather than declaring 10 different variables to store 10 data of the same data type, a programmer can use one array with 10 elements to store those variables. Next, a loop can be used to create a repetition of certain programming statements. There are three types of loops: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. In this program, two loops are being used. The for loop are being used to repeat the codes in the loop brackets for a fixed number of repetition, while the do while loop will execute the codes in the loop bracket for at least once before it reaches the condition for continuing the loop. A while loop, on the other hand, will read the condition before executing the codes inside the loop bracket. Then, there is also if-else statement, where the program will execute different codes depending on the condition applied. For simple two-way selection processes, a programmer can only use if and else only, whereas for a more complex selection processes, an else if can also be used. Lastly, a programmer can use printf to display an output and scanf to get an input from the user. A programmer can display both hard-coded output, such as do you want to continue, and also output from variables by using the percentage symbols to assign the data of the variable for displaying. On the other hand, an input can be obtained from the user by assigning the data received into a variable with the appropriate data type. So this is the result of this program. Thank you very much.